Hello guys, this topic. So what does a database administrator do? Is a plus requirement and salary. If you are interested in information technology and database management, a career as a database administrator may be right for you. The data management the database administrator maintain and secure database to report the sensitive informations to determine whether is rules aligned with your career goals. What is important, learn what is exactly it is detail entails and what qualification what employee your candidations. In this video you explained what is database administrator does and discuss the job expectations, include the average salary of a typical. First of all, what does a database administrator do? A database administrator manages and maintains software database such as a client record, statically survey, census informations, user account, and library categories provide access to database and manage backup solutions to prevent data loss in the event of secure systems fail. They may also help develop the stage of database systems. Additional responsibilities may include creating new user account and permissions, testing modifications to database structures, monitoring database systems for slow response or as a bottlenecks, optimization database systems with regular update and patches, regularity updating antivirus programs on database server, true host searching and diagnostic problems and implementing solutions. Database administrator requirement. The following are the typical required for starting a career as a database administrator. First of all, education. Some database administrator enter the professionals with a high school diploma and after earning relevant experience in the information technology industries. Many employees prefer DBA with a bachelor degree in the discipline such as information system, computer engineering, or computer science is a virtual database management and administrator can increase their earning is a potential by is a par are choosing a master degree in computer science, data science, or business administrator. The training, the most database management administrator training take place on the job. Upon their hiring, database administrator typically learn specifically about the database and is the procedure particular to their employee. A variety of continuing educations opportunity are vulnerable as well, including a conference and seminars. Skill. The virtual database administrator can use a variety of hard skill and include database language and management system. If effectively database administrator require and in is a depth knowledge of relevant and database the language and applications such as SQL, MySQL, SAP, and Oracle. The server operating systems, because database exists is alongside server operating system. DBMS may benefit from knowing about systems like Windows Server, Linux, and Unix. Desktop operating system. Desktop administrator may sometimes install the client end of database applications or assist user with database related issues. Effective administrator know about common operating systems such as Windows, SQL, Linux. Hardware component installed. Database administrator have a basic understanding of the part included in a server in case it is necessary to replace any multifunctional component. Hardware include the motherboard, a central process unit, a random access memory, and hard drive. The backup solutions and data are restored. The backup and restore of database server are important is a responsibilities of database administrator. They decide on the most effective backup solutions and are able to restore database when required. Capability, the planning and database design. Database administrator also perform capacity planning to develop process for situations like is extended storage space and more user license. The cloud-based database, as many organizations are shifting from on permission to cloud-based storing. Familiarities with the cloud or architectures can greatly improve your candidate for virtual database administrator rules. The big data technology, an increasing number of organizations now expect database management administrator to perform activities relevant to data science, namely identifying and shuffling business and relevant data from very large data set. Thank you for watching.